What's up everybody, it's Tyler from Tundra Lifestyle, and today we're going to be installing these all new LED reverse lights for the 3rd gen Tundra. This is super easy install. All you're going to need is a 10mm socket and a plastic pry tool and a pick tool as well. Optional is an impact, although a ratchet will work fine. Let's get started. Okay, so first we're going to hop in the truck. If you do have a power step down on your truck, we're going to want to put that down, and then we can start taking off the valances on the back bumper. Now you can grab your 10mm socket and your plastic pry tool, and we're gonna start getting under the truck and take the valance off. Now there's gonna be one clip right here and a 10mm bolt just right here, and then same on the other side, one clip and a 10mm bolt. You'll just wanna get under this first little lip right here and pry down. You don't want to get under that second lip or else you might break the clip, and then it just pops out like that. And now you're ready to take this little valance off right here. Just pops out super easy. And comes off just like that after a couple clips at the top. From the factory, these will be 10mm bolts, but if you have an aftermarket plate cover or maybe your dealership put a different one on, they may also be just Phillips head screws. So we're going to want to take off our license plate here. And then we've just got one push clip right behind here that we will take out. So next we'll want to remove our trailer harness right here, just like that. And then using these two tabs, you can push out this connector. And then you just pull it out just like that. So just for clarification, there are these 3 clips on here. You're gonna want to push both sides of these clips from the underside. You want like a small pick or a screwdriver like this, and just pry against those as you're kind of pulling up with that trim tool, and just to release it. And once you've got those clips pulled, you should be able to pull it out just like that. Once you got these out, we can move to the next step. Okay, so next we're gonna wanna move to the outer sides here. We're gonna be taking off this top trim panel here, and it's gonna be similar as that inside one, except there's gonna be 8 of those clips under here. So you're just gonna get on the underside, pop those clips just like we showed you on the other one, and then pull it right out. So these last 2 clips here are a little hard. You're gonna wanna start on the clips from this side, working inwards towards the Tundra logo on the tailgate. You are just gonna apply leverage like this, and then get your pick tool under here, and you will pry those clips out internally, and then as you're pulling up, it should come out. Okay, and then once you've got those pried out, you should be able to just take it off just like so. Okay, for our next step, we're gonna be taking off all these little pop clips back here, and I'll show you which ones those are right now. For our next step, we're gonna take this piece off. You wanna fold it out like this and then pull it out just like so. So now we're just gonna remove these 2 clips right here and take this little valance off. They're the similar style clips that were on this interior side right here. So you're just gonna wanna pry them up slowly and pinch those little spines in there, and then it should come out. You don't wanna take the valance all the way off because there are still parking sensors right here. So you're just gonna wanna tilt it up and leave it there. And then you're just gonna wanna slowly take this off. Like I said, there are still parking sensors, so you just kinda wanna hang it kinda like so, just so you can get back to these Phillips screwdriver bolts right here. And next, you'll just want to release this little clip up here that goes to the reverse light harness. And just like that. Now we can take our Phillips head screwdriver and take the light out. Make sure not to lose this OE hardware, as we will be reusing it. Just like that. And then just a note, there are tabs on the back of this that will align. If you peek through here as you're putting in the light, you will be able to see them. But once you've got those aligned, you can screw everything down and put everything back together just the way you took it apart. Then the last thing you'll need to do is plug in those harnesses on the back side there just before you start putting everything together. Make sure the connection is solid and that everything is good. So that's what we're gonna go do right now, just to make sure these come on and the reverse light function works normally. And just like that, your install is done. If you haven't already, you can pick a set of these up for yourself on tundralifestyle.com. I honestly think they look really clean. I mean, they match the taillights a lot better. They're so much brighter for your license plate. And you've got that rear projector that is just much brighter than stock from factory. It's really a must-have upgrade, especially for the price. If you want to pick a set of these up for yourself, you can. They're live now. We'll see you on the next video.